Hi guys, today we're making delicious roast pork. We'll start making the marinade with a 1/4 cup of sugar, about a tablespoon of Chinese 5-spice, and a 1.5 teaspoons of ground white or black pepper, your choice, 1 tablespoon of grated ginger, and a tablespoon of sesame oil, 2 tablespoons of rice wine, about 2 tablespoons of oyster sauce, and about a 1/3 cup of light soy, thin soy, or regular soy, a couple of scallions that have been finely chopped, and lastly add about a teaspoon of salt. You can add about a teaspoon or 2 of red food coloring to make red roast pork or Deng. Once you've mixed your marinade really well, you can add your pork loin. I also really like boneless country ribs for these. Give it a good toss and let it marinate for a couple hours. You might want to turn it a time or two. For the roasting, I'm using a baking sheet with a rack on it, but you can use a roasting rack with a roasting pan. Pat the meat dry so you can get a nice crisp crust or bark when you roast it. Put it in an oven that had been preheated to 425 degrees Fahrenheit for about 10 to 15 minutes. After the 10 to 15 minutes, lower your temperature to about 350 degrees and cook for another 20 to 25 minutes or until the internal temperature reaches about 155 degrees. Let it rest for 10 minutes before cutting and serving. Enjoy! Thanks for watching. For this recipe and more, visit my website at crumbs.com.